Good evening. Today we will be covering the post-market analysis dated October 27, 2022. Indian equity markets rose today for third consecutive day. Nifty opened gap up around 17,771 and managed to make a day high of 17,783. After that we can see some profit booking. At the time of close, Nifty managed to close above 17,725, which is a good sign. Similarly, SENSEX climbed up almost 212 points to give a closing of 59,756. Talking about sectors, all sectors ended in green except Nifty IT. Nifty Realty was the top gainer with gains of 2.96%. Now, talking about the three stocks that have managed to be in gainers list today are JSW Steel, Hindalco, and Tata Steel. All of these are from metal sector. Almost every metal stock showed positive signs today. Top three stocks mentioned above rose by 5.74%, 3.55%, and 3.16% respectively. On the other hand, we will talk about those three stocks which ended as top losers. They are Bajaj Finserv, Bajaj Finance, and Asian Paints. They fell within the range of 1.23% to 1.78% respectively. In terms of today's corporate news, we have the following developments. Shares of NMDC Limited rallied more than 13% to 104.7 Indian rupees apiece, a day ahead of the record date for the company's demerger of the steel business. Earlier this month, the Ministry of Corporate Affairs approved the demerger of NMDC Steel, a 3 million-ton steel plant in Chhattisgarh, from NMDC Limited. The company fixed Friday, October 28, 2022 as the record date for the purpose of identification of shareholders of the demerged company. Shares of GLAND Pharma hit a 52-week low of 1,942.90 rupees as they plunged 14% on the BSE in Thursday's intraday trade. Reason being, company reported a 20.14% year-on-year decline in its consolidated net profit at 241 rupees crore for the second quarter ended September 30th, owing to lower sales and higher expenses. Shares of JSW Steel jumped more than 5% in Thursday's trade. Reason being, JSW Steel U.S. subsidiary tied up long-term financing of $182 million with two Italian banking institutions for its plate mill modernization project in Texas. Shares of FSN E-Commerce Ventures, the parent of fashion and beauty retailer NYKAA, hit a record low on Thursday even as the broader market traded in the green. The stock fell 5.57% to hit a fresh all-time low of 1,048 Indian rupees on the National Stock Exchange, taking the company's market capitalization below 50,000 Indian rupees crore for the first time since listing. INFOSYS Limited has declared an interim dividend of 16.5 rupees per share, payable on November 10, for investors on record as of October 28. INFOSYS is currently trading around 1,521 rupees, which we consider to be a buy level. Our objective is projected to be around 1,600, which gives us a potential gain of 5.5%, while the stop loss can be held at 1,500, which represents a potential loss of 1.3%.